case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1970, former Attorney General John Mitchell authorized a controversial wiretap, a decision that would eventually come under scrutiny in a case known as Mitchell v. Forsyth in 1985. The action related to the surveillance of an anti-war group called ECSL, which Mitchell believed posed a threat to national security. The wiretap lasted until 1971, intercepting 3 conversations involving Keith Forsyth, a member of the group. It was only in 1972 that Forsyth stumbled upon the existence of the wiretap during unrelated legal proceedings. This discovery prompted Forsyth to file a lawsuit for damages against Mitchell. At the heart of this case was the question of immunity for government officials, a concept that posits that such individuals cannot be sued unless they have violated established laws or situational ethics. The key point of contention lay in whether Mitchell's unauthorized surveillance should render him liable for damages. In the earlier stages of the litigation, the district court ruled that the Attorney General wasn't entirely immune from being sued for his actions. Mitchell had sought complete immunity under the Imbler v. Pachtman precedent, but the court only granted him qualified immunity. This ruling posited that Mitchell could only avoid legal repercussions if he acted in good faith and didn't violate any clearly established laws. Not satisfied with the ruling, Mitchell appealed to the Supreme Court, challenging the district court's consensus on his immunity. The Supreme Court took on 3 critical considerations. Namely, they had to determine if the Attorney General should be immune from lawsuits related to national security decisions, whether the district court's verdict on Mitchell's immunity warranted an appeal, and whether the district court was correct in its ruling on qualified immunity. In a significant decision, the Supreme Court reversed the district court's decision on qualified immunity and sent the case back for further proceedings. Despite the wiretap violating the Fourth Amendment, the court concluded that the legal status surrounding warrantless wiretapping was unclear in 1970 when Mitchell authorized it. As such, Mitchell was immune from the lawsuit related to the unauthorized surveillance charges, essentially laying out boundaries for the immunity of government officials.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.